Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the right role and permissions. Without organizer or presenter rights, you cannot record. Next, select your mic and speaker in team settings so your audio is captured cleanly. Once done, announce the recording to participants and request consent. This avoids privacy issues and unexpected interruptions. Then, open the meeting controls, click More Actions, and choose Start Recording. This initiates cloud recording and begins saving audio linked to the meeting. With recording running, you manage audio quality actively. Mute yourself when not speaking and ask others to do the same to minimize background noise. If audio quality drops, switch to a wired headset or a different input device in settings. This often fixes latency or echo. Also watch the recording indicator and live captions. These visual cues confirm Teams is still capturing. When you share content, choose content with embedded audio only when necessary, because screen share can alter microphone priorities. To finish, click More Actions and stop recording. Teams uploads the file to OneDrive or SharePoint and posts a link to the meeting chat. Make sure you wait for the processing notification before sharing the link, because incomplete uploads can be inaccessible. If the recording is missing, first confirm you had recording permission and that your organization allows cloud recording. Then check tenant policies and storage quotas. As a quick fix, retry with a different presenter or record locally with permission if cloud recording fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.